In this video we are going to talk about the best Ninja air fryer in this year, which is Ninja AF101 air fryer. We will be going over the special key features of this product, and why this product is so popular. So stay tuned and let's get into the video. Now enjoy guilt-free food, air fry with up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods, tested against hand-cut, deep-fried French fries. Wide temperature range, 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit allows you to gently remove moisture from foods or quickly cook and crisp foods with convection heat. 4-quart ceramic-coated non-stick basket and crisper plate fit 2 pounds of French fries. Cord length, feet, 2.6. The unit will need time to preheat before coming up to temperature. We recommend that you preheat the unit for 3 minutes before adding your ingredients to achieve the best results. Dehydrate, create flat, chip-like dehydrated foods for fun, homemade snacks pounds. The combination of low fan speed and low temperature enables thorough dehydration. Dishwasher safe parts, easy to clean basket, crisper plate, and multi-layer rack. That's all about this product today. If you want to get more information and customer reviews, you can check out the link in the description down below. I hope you like the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and then subscribe my channel if you want to get more videos in future.